Keep playing. You're going too fast. They can't run that fast. Ada's got a fluffy tail. Ava, what are you doing? You're lazy and tired, aren't you? Cats are horrified of my crazy 4-year-old. That's good stuff. Ow! Don't attack me! What the hell did I do? Ow! You! Watch where you're stepping. You're gonna step on her. Don't hit me. What's up? Awesome. Do. Okay, time to call it a night. They need to go night-night. Bedtime. Hey, how'd you sneak up on me? Ow! Oh my goodness, how are you gonna fit through that hole? Oh gosh! Get her, Ada! You're neurotic. You okay? Are you tired? Ready for bed? I think that's a yes. Alright, the laundry room's pasty. Alright, now it is time for bed.